Hello, everyone. Welcome to Matt and Sarah's podcast. I am Matt.
And I am Sarah. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Today is a very special day. We are going to talk about something really important for learning English.
Yes, today we are going to talk about shadowing. Shadowing. Say it with me. Shadowing.
Shadowing is a technique. A technique is a method, a way to do something. Shadowing is a way to learn English.
And it is a very good way. When you shadow, you listen to someone speak, and then you repeat what they say.
You repeat, you copy, you follow, like a shadow. You know what a shadow is, right?
Yes, when the sun is behind you, you can see your shadow on the ground. It copies you, it follows you. That is a shadow.
So, when you shadow English, you copy the sounds. You copy the speed. You copy the rhythm. Rhythm means the music of speaking.
I love that, Matt. English has a rhythm. It has music. And when you shadow, you start to feel that music.
Exactly. And today, we're going to practice together. You at home, you are going to shadow with us.
Yes, so please stay with us. Listen carefully and repeat out loud. Do not be shy. No one is watching you.
That is true. You are at home. You can repeat as loud as you want. Let's go.
Okay, Matt, so let's explain shadowing a little more because some people are listening for the first time today.
Of course. So, shadowing is when you listen to someone speak English and you repeat what they say at the same time or just after.
At the same time or just after, like an echo. You know what an echo is.
Tell us, Sarah.
Okay, when you are in a big place, like a mountain or a big empty room, and you shout something,
You hear it again. You hear your own voice come back to you.
yes, that is an echo. And shadowing is like making an echo of English. You hear it, and then you say it back.
Now, why is shadowing so good for beginners? Let me give you 3 simple reasons.
Ooh, I love lists. Okay, Matt, number 1?
Number 1, shadowing helps you with pronunciation. Pronunciation means how you say words. Pronunciation.
Say it again, Matt. Pronunciation.
Pronunciation. When you repeat what you hear, your mouth learns how to make English sounds.
Yes, your mouth is like a muscle, and you need to practice every day a little bit.
Shadowing tip. Repeat this word 5 times. Pronunciation. Pro-nun-see-a-shun. Slow and clear. Number 2. Shadowing helps you with fluency. Fluency means speaking smoothly, without stopping all the time.
When I started learning another language, I stopped a lot. Every word I thought, and then spoke.
Yes, that is normal for beginners. But when you shadow, you practice speaking more naturally, more like a real conversation.
And number 3, Matt?
Number 3, shadowing helps you listen better. You train your ears to understand English sounds.
Oh, that is so important because sometimes students say to me, Sarah, I understand written English, but when people speak fast, I don't understand anything.
Yes, that is very common. And shadowing is perfect for that problem because you practice listening and speaking at the same time.
2 for 1. Amazing.
Okay, everyone, now it is time to practice. We are going to say some simple words, and you are going to repeat them.
Please repeat out loud, not just in your head. Out loud. Your mouth needs to practice, remember?
Okay, let's start with some basic words. I'll say the word, then Sarah will say it again slowly, and then you repeat.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Your turn. Repeat. Hello. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Your turn. Goodbye. Please.
Please. Please. Please.
Your turn. Please. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Your turn. Thank you. You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Your turn. You're welcome. Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Your turn. Sorry. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Your turn. Excuse me. Great job, everyone. You are doing it. You are shadowing English.
I am so proud of you, really. Every time you repeat, you are training your brain and your mouth to work together.
And that is the secret of shadowing. Brain and mouth together.
Now, Matt, let's go to the next level. We did single words. Now let's try short sentences.
Great idea. Short sentences, not too long, not too hard, just simple, clear English.
And remember, everyone, when you shadow sentences, you can be a little slow at first. That is completely fine.
Yes, start slow. Then, with practice, you will get faster. Don't worry about speed right now.
Focus on the sounds. Focus on the rhythm. Focus on being clear.
Shadowing block 2. Repeat each sentence after Sara. Take your time. Breathe.
I am happy.
Your turn. I am happy.
I am tired.
Your turn. I am tired.
I am hungry.
Your turn. I am hungry. Now I am going to say some sentences too. Listen carefully. My name is Matt. Your turn. My name is Matt. Or say your own name. My name is... I live in a house. Your turn. I live in a house. I have a dog. Your turn. I have a dog. I drink water every day. Your turn. I drink water every day.
Oh, Matt, I love this part. I can feel people getting more confident as they practice.
Yes, and confidence is so important. You know, many students know a lot of English, but they are afraid to speak.
So afraid. Why do you think that is, Matt?
I think it is because they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, I will say something wrong and people will laugh.
And we want to tell you right now, making mistakes is okay. It is normal. It is part of learning.
Every single person who speaks English well today, they made thousands of mistakes before. Me too.
Me too. So many mistakes. But I kept going. And now here I am speaking on a podcast.
Exactly. Keep going. That is the most important thing.
Okay, let's do something fun now. We are going to have a short conversation, and you are going to shadow both of us.
Yes. So first, listen to the full conversation. Then we will do it again, slowly, and you can repeat.
This conversation is about meeting someone for the first time. Very useful for real life.
Let's go. I will be person A. Sara will be person B. Hi, my name is Matt. What is your name?
Hi, Matt. My name is Sara. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sara. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from the United States. Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it. The people are very friendly.
That is wonderful. I hope you enjoy your time here.
Thank you so much, Matt. That is very kind.
Now, shadow with us. We will go slowly. Repeat each line out loud. Hi, my name is Matt. What is your name? Repeat. Hi, my name is... What is your name?
Hi, Matt. My name is Sara. Nice to meet you. Repeat. Hi, my name is... Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sara. Where are you from? Repeat. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Brazil. And you? Repeat. I am from... And you?
I am from the United States. Do you like it here? Repeat, I am from. Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it. The people are very friendly. Repeat, yes, I love it. The people are very friendly.
That is wonderful. I hope you enjoy your time here. Repeat, that is wonderful. I hope you enjoy your time here.
Thank you so much, Matt. That is very kind. Repeat, thank you so much. That is very kind.
Excellent work, everyone. That was a real conversation, and you just practiced it.
You can use this conversation in real life. Tomorrow, if you meet a new person, you can say these sentences.
That is the beauty of shadowing. You practice real language, not just grammar rules from a book.
You practice real life, and that is what helps you actually speak.
Okay, Sarah, let's give our listeners some tips. How can they practice shadowing at home?
Great idea. Tip number 1, listen first. Before you repeat, always listen to the full sentence or the full word. Don't rush.
Listen first, understand the sound, then repeat.
Tip number 2, repeat out loud. Always out loud, not just in your head. Your mouth needs to move.
Yes, shadowing in your head is not shadowing. You need to speak, even if your voice is quiet. Speak.
Tip number 3, be slow. There is no competition here. Slow is good. Slow is correct. Speed comes later.
When I was learning Spanish, I was so slow at first. People sometimes asked me to repeat, and that was fine. Slow and clear is always better than fast and wrong.
Tip number 4, repeat every day. Even 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week.
5 minutes, every day. That is the magic number for beginners.
And tip number 5, use content you enjoy. You can shadow our podcast, but you can also shadow movies, songs, or other podcasts you like.
The most important thing is that you enjoy the content. When you enjoy it, you listen more. And when you listen more, you learn more.
Sarah's secret tip, I used to shadow songs when I was learning. Songs are amazing for this.
Oh, that is a great idea. Songs have rhythm. They have repetition. They are perfect for shadowing.
So choose a song in English that you love, listen to it, read the words, and then sing along. Shadow the singer.
I love that. All right, everyone, let's do one more shadowing block before we finish today.
For our last practice today, we chose sentences about feelings and daily life. Very useful, very common.
Listen, then repeat. You know the routine now. Let's go. Shadowing block. Feelings and daily life. Repeat each sentence after you hear it. I feel great today. Repeat.
I am a little nervous. Repeat.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. Repeat.
I eat breakfast every morning. Repeat.
I go to work by bus. Repeat.
I love learning new things. Repeat.
English is not easy, but I try every day. Repeat.
I am proud of myself. Repeat.
Beautiful. Did you hear that last sentence? I am proud of myself. Say it one more time.
I am proud of myself because you are here, listening and practicing. That is something to be proud of.
Not everyone does this. Not everyone takes time to learn, but you do, and that makes all the difference.
Okay, Matt, let's review what we learned today. What is shadowing?
Shadowing is a technique. You listen to someone speak English and you repeat what they say, like an echo.
And why is it good?
Because it helps with pronunciation, how you say words, it helps with fluency, speaking smoothly, and it helps you understand English when you hear it.
Perfect. And our 5 tips for shadowing at home?
1. Listen first. 2. Repeat out loud. 3. Be slow. 4. Practice every day. 5. Use content you enjoy.
You are a great student, Matt.
Thank you, Sarah. I learned from the best.
Okay, everyone, that is all for today. Thank you so much for being here with us.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Matt and Sarah's podcast. Please listen to it again. Shadow with us again.
The more times you listen and repeat, the better you become. And we will be here every time.
See you in the next episode. Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye. Have a wonderful day. Keep practicing. You are doing amazing.
And remember, every word you say in English is a step forward. Keep going.